There is this quiet lie being told to women about age. It's the idea that as we approach our 40s or 50s, we should start softening. That our style should become approachable, safe, and eventually invisible. This dress is the proof. It's sweet, it's romantic, and on its own, it looks like a cheap nightgown. Most people will tell you to lean into the softness. I've been styling for over a decade, and I'm not here to play it safe. I'm here to be undeniable. Today we are using the noir method to take this cheap summer staple and turn it into armor. We aren't playing safe with trends anymore. We're mastering them. So how do we fix it? We use what I call the noir method. Yeah, I made that up. Most people think noir is just an aesthetic. It's not. In my studio, the noir method is the art of visual tension. It's the law of taking something soft, like this sweetheart dress, and anchoring it with something hard. Why? Because let's be real, this city is raw. There are days when Manhattan just feels too loud, a little too dangerous, and you feel a little too exposed. On those days, a flimsy, sweet dress is a liability. You need a blanket. You need armor to battle the streets and handle everything that the city throws your way. The noir method is how we build that protection. We use structure to turn a sweet piece into something unbreakable. We aren't just getting dressed, we're arming ourselves. So I'm about to head out for a run. Yes, a run. I haven't done a run in quite a while because I've been, I've been struggling with my health. But this is not about my health, so let's keep it moving. I'm just happy that I'm about to finally go run. I'm going to go with my husband because I feel a little anxious, But I had to try this bra on. This bra fits impeccable. Let me show you. What I love about this bra is that it has so much contouring. The breast tissue itself is all inside the cup, exactly where you want it to be. The middle part here, which is called a gore, is thick, so it's not going to give me a plunging look if that's what you're looking for. But this type of bra is perfect for like t-shirts, bodycon type of tops because it's seamless, it's contouring, and gives you shape, especially for girls like me that have a little bit less to work with, but that's nothing negative. It's just calling out the facts. I love that the band at the back is super thick. This is beautiful for women that are self-conscious with the back. If maybe you have a little bit more skin or just more volume there that you're uncomfortable with, this is beautiful for that because it smooths it out compared to having a small thin line which will dig in and cause you to have like those uncomfortable loose skin pockets that none of us really want. Quick tip, you want this part right here to be flat against your sternum. That is what constitutes a great fit on the bra. Also, you want all your soft breast tissue to be inside of the cup, nothing spilling out. And then you see how this has the wiring on the side. This is to give you extra support. So you want to make sure that all of your breast tissues, it's right within that wire there so it could push it to the front. And it just gives you a beautiful flattering silhouette. And I feel comfortable in this so much so that I'm personally treating this as a sports bra because it just gives me that much control. A lot of the weight has a lot to do with the band, so you want to make sure that you get the band the correct size for you because that's where all the support comes from. It's seamless, which is why I think it's beautiful for a t-shirt. Comfortable, easy fit. I don't even feel it on. The straps are adjustable and they're extra thick, and this also comes in handy for women that have a little bit more going on here because it just doesn't dig into your skin. It's also beautiful, flattering. It has a sweetheart neckline. I also wear this out. You can wear a blazer over it, t-shirt over it, your bodycon. Yeah, you can get your hands on it too, going through my link, which will be placed here on screen, also down below. This is in collaboration with Magic Bra. Magic Bra, thank you for sending this my way. I really love it. And why does this look cheap? It's not the price tag. It's the lack of tension. The silhouette trap. The puff sleeves and sweetheart neck are high romance. Without a hard element to fight it, it looks like you're playing dress up. The texture crisis. This fabric wrinkles if you look at it wrong. Right? When a garment lacks structure, it loses its authority. Most women see these wrinkles and feel frustrated, and rightfully so. I see them as a challenge. We are going to build a silhouette that commands the room, even if it's a $40 dress. Look number one, we're grounding the whimsy. First, we fix the base. We are replacing the safe sandals with black Gladiator. This adds visual weight and anchors the puffiness of the sleeves. We're slicking the hair into a sharp bun. We want clean lines. And we just graduated from cottagecore to sultry. This is how a Manhattan woman does a summer Sunday. Look number two, architectural authority. Next, we introduce structure. I'm caping a sharp black blazer. Look at the shoulder line. These hard architectural lines completely neutralize the poof of the dress. And thank God, because I'm not gonna lie, it bothers me. It creates a V shape that draws the eye up to your face. This is the difference between an outfit and a statement. Look number three, the cinch and command. Finally, the cinch. We are using this belt to hide the gathering. We're creating a designer waistline where there was none, and a dark lip, the forbidden touch. We've officially murdered the cheap boho vibe. Take your dark lip, any color, dark brown, wine color, almost black if you're daring, Bordeaux, and just adds to that element, to that fire, to that mood. I know how it feels to look in the mirror and feel like the girl that you used to be is disappearing. I know the city feels loud and the rules feel rigged, but your style is the one place where you get to make the rules. We aren't dressing to be relatable to a 19-year-old on TikTok. We are dressing the woman that has 10 years of experience, a lifetime of stories, and the refusal to be ignored. If you're ready to build your own armor and turn your 40s and 50s on your own terms, hit subscribe. We're doing this together. No fair play, just undeniable style. I'm Daisy, and I'll see you in the next one. World expects us to disappear once you hit your 30s, 40s, 50s. My question to you is, what are you going to wear to make sure that that never happens? 1, 2, or 3? Let's talk in the comments.